Welcome to EarthEcho, where we delve into the most captivating tales and discoveries from around the globe. Today, we plunge into the depths of aquatic mystery to uncover the remarkable secrets of electric fish. In the intricate ecosystem of murky river waters, electric elephant nose fish demonstrate a remarkable ability that transcends individual sensory limitations. These unique creatures employ a sophisticated neurological mechanism reminiscent of echolocation, emitting and detecting electric fields to perceive their surroundings. This extraordinary adaptation, termed electrolocation, enables them to navigate and locate prey with astonishing precision in environments where conventional vision proves futile. A groundbreaking study spearheaded by Nathaniel Sawtelle and his team at Columbia University delves deep into the intricacies of collective sensing among electric fish. Through a meticulous combination of computer simulations and neural investigations, researchers uncovered a mesmerizing phenomenon. When these fish gather in groups, their electrolocation range expands exponentially. This collective sensory collaboration enhances their capacity to detect objects and navigate complex environments, surpassing the limitations of solitary electrolocation. Further exploration into the neural underpinnings of this phenomenon unveils captivating insights into the anatomy and functionality of electric fish brains. Notably, electric fish boast disproportionately large brains, particularly in the cerebellum region, which plays a pivotal role in processing movement and spatial information. Sawtelle postulates that these enigmatic creatures leverage their extensive cerebellum to rapidly interpret shared sensory data, leveraging insights into group dynamics to navigate effectively in their environment. Moreover, the implications of this research extend far beyond the realm of marine biology, offering tantalizing prospects for technological innovation. By unraveling the intricacies of collective sensing in electric fish, scientists may unlock novel strategies for the development of advanced underwater sensors and revolutionary medical imaging techniques. The collaborative behavior exhibited by these aquatic denizens serves as a testament to the ingenuity of nature, inspiring awe and wonder in researchers and enthusiasts alike. In essence, the study of electric fish and their collective sensing abilities unveils a captivating narrative of collaboration and adaptation in the natural world. By unraveling the mysteries of these remarkable creatures, scientists inch closer to deciphering the complex tapestry of life and harnessing its potential for the betterment of society. Through ongoing exploration and inquiry, humanity continues to unveil the secrets of the natural world, paving the way for a future enriched by scientific discovery and technological innovation. Thank you for exploring with us. Support our channel by subscribing for more fascinating insights and stories.